Hi, my name is Aslam and I am a registered attorney. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to choose an executor for your will in South Africa. We get quite a few queries from clients knowing what is a will, how do I sign one, what are the requirements for a will, and on top of that, how do I go about choosing an executor? Are there any requirements? To start off, what an executor does. Let's picture a scenario where we have John Smith who has passed on. Now, John Smith has a bank account, a TV license, and numerous other subscriptions that he pays. If Sally Smith has to go to FNB or Standard Bank and say, give me John's account, I need to close it, the bank will say, hold on, how do I know that you are acting on behalf of John Smith who has passed on? This could create a huge problem for fraud in South Africa. So to avoid this problem of fraud, an executor is appointed in order to close or wind down the affairs of someone else who has now passed on. But in order for a person to act as an executor, they need a letter of authority. This letter of authority is handed by the master, who is an official that's been designated by the government. Who appoints this executor? Generally, the person who's completing the will appoints the person who is responsible to be the executor. This can be any person that you nominate. Are there any requirements that prevent a person from being an executor? Yes. Number one, if a person is a minor, they cannot act as an executor. A minor is any person who is under the age of 18. Number two, if a person is of mentally unsound mind, in other words, they are lunatic or they just do not have the capacity to differentiate between right and wrong, they cannot act as an executor. Can an insolvent person act as an executor? Insolvent persons can act as executors. However, the master may require an insolvent person to provide security for being an executor. Can a person nominate a firm of attorneys in order to be an executor? Yes, a person can nominate a firm of attorneys to be the executor of their estate. Generally, however, the testator must nominate all of the partners of the firm in case the single attorney who was part of the firm is no longer part of the firm anymore. Can an executor witness a will in South Africa? Is that allowed? In terms of the law, an executor cannot witness a will. The reason why is because the appointment of an executor is considered a benefit under the will, which means that because the executor is going to be remunerated for their services, it stands to be somewhat of a conflict of interest. Should an executor get paid? And the answer to that is the law does allow for an executor to collect a fee in respect of the work that they perform. So in summary, these are the rights and obligations when it comes to executors in South Africa. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.